This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups related to the site yourvanadvllc.com. Yourvanadvllc.com is a malicious site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It displays fake human verification alerts which try to make people click on a special allow button to make people subscribe to the tremendous portion of really intrusive advertisements. These ads will be displayed in the form of permanent and multiple push notifications. If you click on allow, the browser will be hijacked. To fix the issue, access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications and pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site. Finally, my recommendation is that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and begin researching your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.